There's no road we can't take. Just throttle up and outrun the explosion. True friendship means riding together, never leaving each other behind, even in the most dangerous moments.
Language and a catchy melody. The music should be cute, warm and pop inspired with soft percussion.